Georges Braque. Fruit dish and glass. The painting, created in 1912, currently resides in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, US. The painting is considered a prime example of synthetic cubism, a phase within the broader Cubist movement. Synthetic cubism is characterized by the introduction of collage elements into artworks. In Fruit Dish and Glass, Braque incorporates a technique called pasted paper fragments to create the composition, breaking away from the traditional use of paint alone. Braque's inspiration for Fruit Dish and Glass came during a visit to an Avignon shop. There, he acquired a roll of faux bois paper, which imitated oak paneling and featured two types of printed motifs on a dark beige background. This material became the foundation for his groundbreaking collage. Braque observed that the flat, realistic appearance of the paper, pasted on, undermines spatial relationships, enabling it to function as both foreground and background. In Fruit Dish and Glass, the grapes and pears in the glass are distorted yet recognizable versions of real objects. The fruit situated amidst what could be interpreted as a dish, a wine glass, or even a candlestick. Braque employed textures, shapes, and composition to create a painting that straddles the line between recognition and symbolism. Braque likely initiated the creative process by using cut pieces of wallpaper on a flat surface to conceptualize his composition. Two vertical strips of wood grain wallpaper may have been strategically placed on a large sheet of white paper to depict café walls, with a small horizontal piece at the bottom representing a tabletop. Using charcoal, he sketched the glass, pears, grapes, and incorporated the words ale and bar, while adding black ink lines to enhance the wallpaper. A circular knob on the lower piece of wallpaper contributed to the illusion of a table drawer. The introduction of collage techniques by Braque and Picasso had a lasting impact on the art world. It opened up new possibilities for artistic expression and paved the way for the development of various art forms, including Dadaism and Surrealism. The work showcases the innovative spirit of the early 20th century art movements and the transformative power of breaking away from established norms.